To convert square photo into circle, come over to canva.com. This is the home page you're going to be greeted with when you come to canva.com. And you want to go over to photo editor. From here, you want to upload your photo by clicking on upload a photo to bring in your photo in here. But I already have a photo I want to work with, so I'm just going to select the photo. And once you bring in your photo, you're going to see this. First, add this image into a circle. I'm going to click on create design. This will open up and I will go over to my elements here and I will come down to where it says frames. And from the frame here, you'll see this circle frame. You want to select the circle frame and let's just spread out the circle frame to go out a bit. And you want to hold your image and drag it into the circle. Once your image is in the circle, you can click on crop here and position your image how you want it to appear in the circle. You can still spread this out to fill in your screen. You can go to position and position it to the center and to the middle. Once you're happy with how your image looks, you want to come over to share here and click on download and download your image.